Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add and remove widgets on the Realm C30. Hold your finger on the home screen or pinch to customize it. Tap the Widgets section to see all available widgets. For example, select the weather or calendar widget. Choose a widget style and tap Add to Home Screen. The widget has been successfully added. To move the widget, hold and drag it to the desired position. To remove a widget, hold it and tap Remove, then Confirm. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.